na sare ya ye no de obonkrata no aba sanso ne bekoy online portal adomonline.com ne akoma joinonline.com na fe ya sha foforo bi eka ho ensem ahodo a etwagu anopai no na yedimu enkomo sa pepepe na menko oman ne kwabna asante ho watena se oman mache
papa bi mache na ohoye
nyankopon gususra
achim police bo we say oho ye fete say achim
enra na menya 30 years.
Oh wow.
And you say I'm a woman.
Oh wow. Hey, and the whole for power. Me nya o ma me ahwe. We mu na o ma me wanye careful because o mo be 26 because we afeni o. Afu ko se egusu abunze no say we dey lady panke ne ho na efe. Ya mo achi. This is the ultimate TV breakfast show Badwam on Adom TV multi TV. So I'm not sure about the Kasiana Brona ko ya wada. Timeka say nyoma no bi edidi so no ye wo agokansi ho no afei ye wo afisem ye wo pensem mu e ma ore afisi say season 2 of Adepam no pa e ho ntoma e wo ha de a kire ye gusu aye pamade ne bra no san kom de bi di a kire ene ade ba ko a ohia pa ne nsa no djuma a very important key the TV to won hihye ni bi no ye TV to multimedia Adom TV ene ne Adepam very important. San komodi betimi di e di achobra esemnam san hodo to jo the obakata my that team no the other team na no ase led by Mauli ably supported by Kwasinsia Dominic Sieboa ana Eresi Press La Vodafone Anaman your camera foam your sound foam lighting foam set designers control for afi makeup for so e kan won afi a driver for so e ko fire bar no penso won nyina kan we are so proud of you because Bribia da also jebre say o hwe ye dase ye ntoto saade na jeje mu kra uni ho a ini ho nti wa also wagebra o hwe no ye dase peace also wagebra o hwe me sha say no the Ghanaian Times in some of the edikan government spent 12 billion Ghana cedi in 2020-2021 but quickly ebeko ranking member health osai mrashe biyanima dwaboso or one of the members of parliament. Now, one year so disappointed that it was taking the finance minister too long a time to appear before them in parliament. Nyame chadie enra omansi kasem santo fono photo sanfono oba emrashe bedwam. Nemya for kwabna minta kando machi.
Yeah, many are mine.
But you said the matter is settled now with the explanation Minister Mabona Waba on COVID expenditure bibia akokama.
The matter has just begun. It has not been settled.
Oh.
So now follow proceedings on the floor of the House.
Yeah.
I don't think you are giving the right impression on the television because at the end of our various comments on the minister's statement of representation, the Right Honorable Speaker directly said, Health Committee and Finance Committee, now they are very settled.
Well, so Abba, eti bebrebe no ba nyina na mabusa mato adwene ene ya hyese yenti ekuo bi ebe hwehwemu independently specifically na how na nkamba say ede bi na mopa beyond the other.
Okay, so Oshe Yamra Ediga, Yedi Juma, Ewo, Masheba Jafie na Ubi at the statement a bar, intimate provoke debate, and Unti Misana Sembia so Ewo. And now didn't send the buyer, not question in 70 corner. Never be real, why need be here answers. Na imun na ho papa. Nti mema o mfanto ho be mienu miensa ennan ebi. Mema twa dwen akosi so. Baako ene se you are president. Oye nyina president na Danko Akufo-Addo. Abeka say somewhere 30th March 2022. So Covid sika yedi no eye beye 17.7 billion. So what I say. Now nena watch 7 to 8 days. And then the vice president who kasa I know address test control ono so say COVID sika ye di 8.1 billion. Minister nankasa mu odi ne 2022 budget ede ba no. Ono so ne nkrata mu no. O say ye di 18 point something billion. Your budget for by 19 point something, ye di 18 point something billion. It's in the document. Afi enura akofa statement bra. Na the kan nyina ye 2020 and 2021 konta no no. 2022 dey dey maso. And no this statement ne buy no. O say ye di 12.0 billion. In the year no figures ye a 9 mako 9 me no free minister na ho. So your idea minister ne dey in profess the no the bad on the budget statement di mu kra no. And no beka ene ye pekrampo na nge ye beka so e bia president e no ne vice president omoti nti ye nya cheke ye family na minister na ne ba kopa ono no figures ye mienu nti no de hin ena na ye mfa de etoso biem so ene se o hwe budget ni mu a omo se Omwa yusu 600 million Ghana cedis on Agenda 111 in 2020.
600 million?
On Agenda 111 in 2020. But you're doing Agenda 111 bio.
And yet, Ebia from so being about or more in 20.
Ebia from so. Clear. Sadiano. A PO. Main budget a peer media review budget 2021
on Agenda 111 600 million.
600 million. Oh, ade ba ko ma forgive me. Moments and show for no do baby me di mo ya on say you can sem na do baby a e ho asem ba si a mon kai sasem we maka temo Agenda 111 sem ba e no me ka se sika bi ayira the media no yanko picture akwan up to now obi amfi that is the media na omudi ni 2020 no ene abepim
now 2020 no what was there for Agenda 111 because the 2020 say
infrastructure okay infrastructure on Agenda 111 health infrastructure Agenda 111 600 million 2020 but say dia me na me na ha no. Because Agenda 111, you know, say you cut it short. You did a short ball from Agenda 111. 17th August 2021. You can Google way.
Yeah.
That was the date. So now they make no. Be very careful because I am the ranking member on the health committee. So these are the some of the doubts we need to clarify. Say, quite a problem. And your finance minister could any BBU because the finance minister can say, "Yama health ministry, no, yama 1 billion." I will say, "You check Kwanya health ministry, no, as so these are 1 billion."
1 billion.
Aso. Say, Yadisika ama small and medium scale businesses are. A quadrant ye fast or ye disasicano. Yet the command parliamentary candidates are na. Say the command constituency executives are na. Because Omani, what it takes to be about Montaigne the Adi. This are quite only a fast or ye disicana.
Okay, so that joint committee now speak and I share some montrasino. Effective da ben na brebe no mo bewi.
Okay, nra no mo directly. Into my directly nra the committee is yet to meet. Na ya draw out your modalities. But that be we there. Speaker can say overturn with the first month after say the recess aba.
A health committee and I say a new committee being set up purposely for this investigation.
A finance committee together with the health committee. We are crazy cancel.
Okay, era I can't do my minja na yemfensia majority said yeah all of us we have but ba ko me man hunamante menim say if really me follow the well but me hwe ko see ubusa question I na do su era chairman sabonsu speaker ka ba ko me hu COVID sika na yanka se agigi Ghana no ye de na we
fantastic why ne monitor ni ye pa MPM ba bia enya no kwa there was another sika yanka se approve no parliament and so MPM nti yanye I do not want to be judgmental.
Okay.
So I
but I don't know omo timid nchire mu bia ba sika dodo enya ba bia wo
bia and kind of normal circumstances no nke bia o say pie e was statement and no dey buy enim MPM no afini be bisa dey MPM
I see
MPM nti obi ka say it is settled that now follow the ecoso.
But we know how different is it going to be from other committees? Ya set up tinti will be a majority minority.
At least the most recent one, so the Kaya is Sputnik in Badwam Media.
But Sputnik, ne kwa ndese who said the name is here. Will be a tinti.
Oh, Sputnik no. Sabi me. The bia no, the American say the human asha was say you don't want any magama for who say why you from there.
Okay.
At the end of the day, no. You transfer you should not gonna phone you now and Sputnik a year no gonna phone you now who no kwe me I'm satisfied.
Okay.
Me comment candle. The moment I no kwe be a woman no everybody there did I hear some Ghana for no because me I don't have the power to punish anybody or to remove anybody from office. Me the end say see ama me power send him probu bibi. Me ma for mo no o ma teacher na tie we upeja we ni nya de aboa no nya ye o man ni ye nya de ne the minority side ye be ye ni yi maka na fo nyina hu but be be kwakosie de it is too early for me to say how they be kwakosie.
All right,
especially when I'm a member of the committee.
Okay, former deputy.
And obia wo tie me ne on anopai yan komo bia no ontie no ntie ni you be record mfanto ho yi because I raised the issues and I have not been judgmental. Like I said, there was a time, the constitutive committee, and I know before on the other side raising issues, say, may take position and I be judgmental, and therefore they were opposing my membership of the bipartisan committee. So as I say,
right.
You know, of course, if everything was clear and we wouldn't have pushed for a probe. And so that is my original position.
Okay, so our community account a former deputy minister or a beneficiary of Adeba Kwame Kawane Mekunto Kwadibia and after a job also ranking member health or a Mrashebijim. Yadana Sadape also Ninchilima or the Abreyeko. And Kratas quickly I said because I'm not sure about that so the online stories in about the Chronicle double Kratas say Yakanu Kasia say Accra Commando strikes at Adenton, pulls down illegal structures on CSIR land, and Speaker praises Oforiata for COVID-19 management and what's the Chronicle double Kratas Oba the Daily Graphic and so Speaker directs investigations into COVID-19 expenditure and government prudent in COVID-19 expenditure. Finance Minister tells Parliament. Big story here. 48-hour ultimatum on CSIR lands. Over 100 structures pulled down. Daily Guide. Rains sweep secondary Takrade and Attorney General chastises Ablakwa. Big one. Government blows 12 billion Ghana cedi on COVID, and new editor for Daily Guide, Akwaba editor. Alachuaba.
Oma yankoi na hano ayadomonline.com. Samini wins Gimpa SRC elections. Time we unity so wakwa kujina no. Ebe ye nsem ye di hu komo afi na na braso a omo akoto aba me no ka se de sese de enka ne Batman all for real yes mo se ono na wokọ eye Gimpa SRC where wonum epanyin e wo ho na before that ye no etwetwe nkomo wo say I can't rig Gimpa SRC elections ye nim say my Ghana batwo de e we say na oban say say free school mo
wo say waye obi oye amanyo semwa ba no
sa no bo nyini na afi no omo wura amanyo sem no emu eti wo say nya de say na obetumi we aba no mu ama chese akone favor na yenhwe ha say so o say na she's husband treated her like an animal late singer sister tells court yenhu aba ya Nigeria ni anu obonwum ekuweme he de ofiri mu no na nasem no eguso a ewo asenibia ena ni nua ba chese ni hokani no chese wonu nua ba na ntana ne papa mu de bia na se wo ye ne sa aboa bi no se de no sitete no de fa yakayaka de mu no na mesumi busa se eba no sa no na obeka kire busua no na wunua wunimu no na maame nimu no ana mo be na mo nso mutuye de bia meka ye ready to accept divorcees nti de bia say ya na to de bia ebeba no we was say why am I being prevented from meeting Akufu Addo NPP first vice chair hopeful
why no
opanyini na me hwe di kwase Smith or the Smith bibi afena odo so pese wo bamu e na wo kyese wonim de nti a wo pa kwanya no wahuma mpanyin so omo ma ne kwan e ma ne mu na ye kase bo bi de tu dwese oboase mabunu na watwi yasase wonom ebradam wo mo ye kire se omo pa adwuma sanse eye mining no a community mining no shada mfa wo mo adwuma sa Anglo Gold Ashanti mpanifo e de wano ato asem no mu bi se okọ adomonline.com a obenya nchemu ni ye na watumi akenkan e wo ho my join online so said your man na kodi hu nkomo no COVID funds my Ghana for to sanfo tumi kopie mu amrahye bedwam kodi hu nkomo no emu ensem enie na wokire mu a wo se Ghana man panyini nsem a wo kan ye na no ada na afi finance minister so so figures on so de betu dwa no chese ebo abra contradictory nti no wo akohia se wonom etumi ehwehwe mu we ne nsem ahodo bi na ewo myjoyonline.com we asie how we say finance ministry is not running away na se de no manfo be keka se mrahye bedwa na to nsa afre o my Ghana for to sanfo aso aso mpeso beba no wokire mu sanya de se no wodwane akoba bia se brana so ajebo wenya aba abeju na ba si ha say say government has been transparent with COVID-19 funds said the one can expenditure na say kono for real time we say aban no wa man hwehwe mu fan da ho bibia koye Ghana fo nyina ate ase COVID-19 sika no ana wo ho no de omode ye no Ghana fo ate ase e wo ho no na say no so emu ensem bi eno no atofo sense wakasa we say eno ada my Ghana fo to sanfo nsem odi tudwa no wan shada nchirechire mu account no wan shada renda ne ye enti wa faili pa so ba Ghana fo ate ase de wo de COVID-19 hu sika botina hodo no eye ye tini nyina efa o my Ghana fo to sanfo kendo for reata mrahye bedwa mo kopie ye ne nchirechire mu de ko ma mrahye bedwa no emu nsem dodo no ana chese ukọ eye myjoyonline.com a obehu ne se ewo ho no mo ubie mu a de ene wo ho voice wetumi abo na watie de waso kenkan dura chensu wetumi kenkan kenkan bi na fe hunu de ekoso ewo mayi emu ene ama ahodo so enyina o my krata baby
well sir you better wrap up the new crusading guide Nungwa chief of staff cautions to Poigono residents and the big one government demonstrates transparency on COVID expenditure over the Ghanaian Times and so page 17 no outbreak of Ebola in Ghana. Director General, Ghana Health Service, Anakase, and school children, vehicles trapped in heavy rains in Takrade. Over a year, page 25 of the Ghanaian Times. Second batch of Muslim pilgrims leave Tamale for Hajj. And what's them? And then Krata Odolina. I'll drop for you see enough young queen.
You better be a say, what kind of home, Adom TV so sunset doso. Now see Adom and Abeshe, bedroom so. Eni na ye dan ye ho ne aba ye ba no nim sa gwekansie mu nsem ebeto so ene ya wada ti afisem ebeba ma hene so beba na afei de ekoso wo mayi mu no wo de aba be so wansa na mpensem mu aba fashion 101 wo ho siesie hia ye nti ye de no so ebeso mo ye kwa basisia